Hi, I just want to make a quick video showing you how to use this online calculator. So I've already opened up my online calculator. You can find this on the main page in the Getting Started tab. There's a whole bunch of different tabs down here. Oh, you can't see them all. There's a whole bunch of different tabs down here. We mostly care about the probability right now. You could also do descriptive statistics or confidence intervals. We'll get to that stuff later. But let's look at the probability right now. So let's go ahead and answer. Let's look at homework for part 1. I'll just answer a couple questions here using this thing. So let's say I would like to do part A. It says the area underneath the curve, part 1, find the probability of each of the following if Z has a normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So that's actually called the standard normal distribution. So my mean is 0, so I've already got 0 in here. I've already got my standard deviation of 1. Let's say I want to do part A. I need Z to be less than negative 1.35. Well, less than negative 1.35, we can go all the way back to negative infinity. So I'll type in negative. And notice you can't type in infinity on your keyboard, so I'm just going to type in 2 little zeros. It kind of looks like negative infinity. That's what it says down here. So I've got 2 little letter O's there. The high value is negative 1.35. So if I type in negative 1.35 and I hit enter, it'll calculate the probability. Let's go ahead and delete that there. It'll calculate the probability of being less than, the z-score being less than negative 1.35 all the way back to negative infinity. And that probability is 0.0885 or about 9%. So I'll type in 0.0885 there. Let's go ahead and do another one. Say I won't do this one. I talked through that one in the forum. But if I do this one here, I want z to be between negative 0.4 and 1.5. So my low here is going to be negative 0.4, and my high is going to be 1.5. And then my mean and standard deviation are the same because it's the same problem. So I hit enter, and it tells me my probability of that happening, the z-score being in between these two numbers, is 0.5886. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. 0.5886. Yeah, let's look at what we're actually doing here, right? So I want to draw a picture of our normal curve. So actually, this link came from our website. It's just a simple normal distribution grapher. So I want to be between 0.4 and I want to be between 1.5, or less than 1.5 and greater than 0.4. And I get the same probability here, but this is my standard normal curve here. Notice my mean and standard deviation are the same. And this area underneath the curve represents my probability. So that probability is like 0.8, or sorry, 0.59 or so. If we did the first one, I want to be the first one that we had over, where was the first one? This one. Z is less than negative 1.35. I want to see what that area looks like, see what that probability looks like. So I'll go ahead and type that in. I want to be below negative 1.35. I think that's what it was. And this is the area here that's calculated. Notice that the area goes all the way, it keeps going to negative infinity, even though we can't see it. It just keeps going that way. Although at a certain point, it's so small, it doesn't even matter. So this probability is about 9%. Yeah. So that's how we can use this calculator to do these types of problems. I will do another problem in a minute. I'll post that one too.